Search continues this morning for 4 men who went missing when the river flooded its banks near Junction, about 140 miles west of Austin. The rushing water also washed away a number of RVs that were parked near the river. 19 people had to be pulled from the water. One woman was swept 20 miles downstream before she was finally rescued.
Wanted to give you some perspective here. This video shows you the sense of what people are facing. Texas game wardens took this video of the rising water on the Llano River near Mason yesterday in the afternoon, and all of that water now making its way down through the Highland Lakes.
And to help prevent more flooding along the Highland Lakes overnight, the LCRA was proactive, opening 2 floodgates at Wirtz Dam from Lake Elbridge, I should say, to Marble Falls, excuse me. And Kingsland's Chris Davis is along the Llano River this morning in Kingsland. And Chris, what are you seeing out there?
Yeah, John, good morning to you. What we're thinking is that the opening of those floodgates may have an impact on sort of what we're seeing here this morning. The water that is still washing up on the road here does appear to have gone down. The sheriff's deputies who are here blocking this road, County Road 307, say that they've seen the water. You can see that debris line out there. They've seen the water recede over the last few hours that they've been out here. This road has been closed since about 10:30 last night. You can still see a lot of water out here on the road. We're told that this is a popular place for people to come swimming. That's a parking area that would normally be down there. Clearly just completely flooded out here this morning. We're also right next to an RV park here, the Kingsland Slab RV camp, sort of in the northern part of the city here in Kingsland. The camp is right along the river, and people who stay there had to pack up and leave before 10:30 last night in fear of these rising waters. Some people even had to pull their trailers out to get to safer ground.
I just hope to God we get our trailer out of here in one piece. We're the closest people out here, and we're in a pretty bad situation.
So right now, people are just kind of watching and waiting to see what's going to happen with these waters here. Again, the road has been closed down for several hours at this point, and deputies say it could be even a couple days before it's reopened, because even though we are seeing the waters go down a little bit where we are right now, there is still more rain to come, and that's got people stopping by, taking pictures now, and worried about what they're going to see in the coming hours and the coming days. For now, we'll send it back to you.